Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we are going to install a squirrel-proof bird cage. I'm sorry, not bird cage, bird feeder. We don't cage birds here. But here it is, a vintage squirrel-proof bird feeder. I will show you how it works in just a second. Hang tight. So last season, well, that is last garage sale season, I was able to run across this, a vintage, I'm guessing, squirrel-proof bird feeder. That's right. It is all metal construction with a plexiglass window right here. Now the nice feature I like about it is you hang it from a post or a tree or what have you. I'm gonna probably hang it from the fence. But what's nice is, I'm gonna have to try and hold it just like this. Okay. What's nice is that the birds can access the feed down here. There's a little area there. Right here. Okay. So they rest on this little stand here, and then they eat the bird seed. But when a squirrel gets on it, it drops down like this because the weight of the squirrel is more than the bird. So it blocks the bird seed. So again, squirrels can get to it, but they can't eat from it. So we'll see how that works. But the way it works again is like that. Now, to hang it from the fence, it's a two-piece system here. This part here gets attached to the fence through these screws right here. And then there's these little integral hooks right there that actually catch on these little louvers on the back. So when it gets into the inside here, it just catches on and hangs from there. Now when I got it, it was in pretty poor shape, so I had to clean it up a bit. We light sanding. I used like a 3M scrubby pad that you get for your sink and this and that, and rubbed it on there. Also, the plexiglass was it had one of these little deals, but it had a screw on this side. And I didn't like that because it didn't lock down, and plus it would eventually every time you tighten the screw, it would probably break the plexiglass. So what I did was I used one of those anchors that you would use on the wall where you screw or drill in, then you put a little plastic thing in, and then you put the screw in and it expands the plastic thing. Well, that's what that is right there. It's that plastic thing, and it still has the ability to come out, if you see right there, but it locked it in place just like this other one here. So there it is. You fill the inside with the bird seed. Gravity feeds it to the bottom here. Again, there's a little trough that it fills up there, and the birds just come and eat it, and the squirrels can't. Okay? So that's what it is. We are going to now go outside and find a good suitable place to install it, and we'll fill it with birdseed and see how it works. So hang tight, we're gonna go outside. Well, here we are, the spot that I wanted in, on a corner of our fence in the backyard. We have the awning and the mounting system, it's the same thing, bolted to the fence. I used these little anchor bolt type things like that, went in real well. I only used 2, that's all I needed. In addition to that, I was able to fill the little container with the bird seed. I bought a 40-pound bag for I think it was $17, and they even delivered it, which is great. So all you have to do is get it up here. There's those little hooks there. Make sure that both hooks are there. And that's it. We've mounted a vintage, I'm guessing vintage, squirrel-proof bird feeder. Now let's walk away and let's see if some birds are gonna come and eat out of it. So if not, we'll post it anyway. So anyways, there it is, the bird feeder. So hang on, I'm gonna leave and you can see it later.